Hi, this is Ava from Realty Candy. Today we're going to be going over the app called Counts on IDXAddons.com. So this app is a way to include the amount of properties that your website has in each specific city or area. So let's get into the video and I'll show you how it works. So the first thing we're going to do is go to IDXAddons.com and go to Apps in the menu over here. And we're going to look for the Counts app. And then once you find it, this is what the page is going to look like. So this app is based off of saved links and also cities. So if we go down to the bottom and click on Add Widget, we're going to click it to saved links just so I can show you easily how this would work. And then you have some saved link suggestions pop up for you. So we can click on multiple of them if we'd like. And then when you're satisfied with that, just click Save. And then as you can see at the bottom, there's my saved link with a bunch of the suggestions that I put in just as I'd like it. So that's how that would look right there. So once you have your saved link modified to how you'd like it, we can click on View the Document. And we're going to copy the link that we created right here. And then we're going to paste it into JS So we're going to pop into the HTML section over here and then select Run. And that is how your saved links would appear on your website. And if you clicked on one of your listings, so I'm just going to click on the first one as an example, that is how it would appear on the website. So yeah, super simple. That is what that would look like. So let's say, for example, you don't like one of the colors or something like that on your website. That is totally okay. We're going to go back to IDX add-ons and click on Style under the Counts app. And there's all these different styles that you can change and personalize to your preference. So if we change badge background and paste in the color that we'd like, click Save Color Scheme. It says Color Scheme Saved. So now that we did that, we're going to go back to JS and click Run again. And now you see all of these little bubbles right here on the side are now blue because I put in that code manually on the back end in IDX add-ons. So as you can see, there's multiple options that you can adjust to make the display of the app how you'd like it to fit the style that you are looking for your website. So if we go back to IDX add-ons, as you can see, it says Modern Box right here. So we could click Simple Box instead. And it says settings were saved. We go back to JS select Run, and it displays differently now. And we can do it again, change from Simple Box to Simple List. It says settings were saved, go back, select Run, and now it's in a different style of setup as well. So you can also change different things. So viewing available themes right here, I'm clicking on that. Modern Box, Simple List, and it just shows you what you would be changing and how you'd adjust that. If we go back to setup, this is where we started and just like how you would simplify it and personalize it to how you would like. So that is how you would use that. So that is how you use the Counts app on IDXAddons.com. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks so much for watching.